down and give me a high five.
Huh?
Go down and give me a high five. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, let me check my ground.
All right, Mike, get up there, bro. This is all in the same video.
Okay.
We're at 37 seconds right now.
There you go. She agreed. There you go.
Make sure that ass don't hit the fucking bench. Check your ground. Check your ground.
Ah, come back up.
Bring that back all the way.
Whew. Why are you looking at my face and all the pain?
It's the struggle, bro.
One more.
One more. We're at 1:14.
Oh God, I hate you.
You can do it, Mike. Come on, do it.
I want it on that one.
Come on, you got it. I want to raise it side.
I'm gonna uppercut it.
Uppercut it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mike, just aim low next time he does that.
Do that shit with me.
Just go up.
Yeah. I want to get one in. The things you can do on an incline.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Good job.